Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Binance in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, transferring assets between exchanges has never been easier or more secure. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into Bitcoin, this step-by-step guide will help you move your funds smoothly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Coinbase and Binance set up and verified. In 2025, enhanced security features like biometric logins and two-factor authentication are standard, so enable those for extra protection. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Head over to your dashboard and select your Bitcoin wallet. You'll see an option for Send or Withdraw. Click that to begin. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's details. This is where Binance comes in. Log into your Binance account separately and navigate to your Bitcoin wallet. Look for the Deposit section to get your unique wallet address. Copy that address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Back on Coinbase, paste this address into the recipient field. Don't forget to select the Bitcoin network. In 2025, options like Lightning Network might be available for faster, cheaper transfers, but stick with the standard blockchain for reliability. Now, specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Keep an eye on the transaction fees. Expect them to be around 0.0001 BTC or less due to improved network efficiency. Review everything one last time, then hit Confirm. Once you do, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. It might take 10 to 30 minutes to confirm, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Binance and check your wallet. Your Bitcoin should appear shortly after confirmation. Pro tip: always monitor your transfers using blockchain explorers like blockchain.com to track the status in real time. And remember, never share your private keys or recovery phrases. There you have it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Binance in 2025. It's straightforward, but staying vigilant is key in the crypto space. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.